Today, I'll show two ways to connect Microsoft Excel with n8n. Method 1. Microsoft Graph, OneDrive, SharePoint. Go to portal.azure.com, Azure Active Directory, App Registrations, New Registration. Name your app and click Register. Copy client ID and tenant ID. In Certificates, Secrets, create a new secret and copy it. Grant file access, API permissions, Microsoft Graph, delegated permissions, add files, read-write, sites, read, all offline access, grant admin consent. In n8n, go to Credentials, botch Microsoft Graph OAuth 2 API, paste IDs in secret, then connect. Use HTTP request or Excel nodes to read, write your workbook. Method 2. Local Excel file. Add a read binary file node and point to your XLSX file. Add a spreadsheet file node, read from binary file, link to the first node. Access structured Excel data for emails, API calls, or updating databases.